and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. Tabish Fahim, and today I am going to tell something about muscle contraction. The muscle contraction is initiated by arrival of nerve impulse at the motor end plane, which evokes action potential to traverse along muscle fiber. Formation of cross bridges occur between actin and myosin filaments. The movement of cross bridge in contact with actin filaments produces sliding of actin towards center of sarcomere. Muscle shortening occurs due to the formation of the actin filament over the myosin filament. ATP is required for muscle contraction. Myosin ATPase break down ATP into ADP and inorganic phosphate as the fiber contracts. The source of energy is from phosphocreatine, glycolysis, and oxidative phosphorylation. Crossbridge cycle is also termed as Huxley theory. It was given by Huxley in 1964. According to him, there are 5 phases in the crossbridge cycle, that is rest, coupling, contraction, recharging, and relaxation. Roasting phase. Crossbridge project from a myosin myofilament but are not coupled with an actin myofilament. ATP is attached near the head of the crossbridge. Troponin covers the active sites on the actin myofilament, and calcium ions are stored in the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Arrival of muscle action potential depolarizes the sarcolemma and tubules. Calcium ions are released and react with troponin and change in the shape of the troponin-calcium complex. Regulation by calcium ions causes the uncovering of the active site on actin. A cross bridge couples with an adjacent active site, thereby linking myosin and actin myofilament. Linkage of cross bridge and an active site triggers adenosine triphosphate enzyme activity of myosin. The need of ATP. ATP splits into adenosine diphosphate, phosphate, and energy. The reaction produces a transient flexion of the cross bridge. The actin myofilament is pulled a short distance past the myosin myofilament and Z discs are closer together. During recharging phase, the cross bridge uncouples from the active site and it retracts. ATP is replaced on the cross bridge. The recoupling, flexion, uncoupling, retraction, and recharging process are repeated hundreds of times per second. During relaxation, calcium ions are removed from the vicinity of the actin myofilament and are returned to storage sites in the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Troponin returns to its original shape, covering active sites on the actin myofilament. Actin and myosin filaments now return to their resting state. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See you soon, guys.